In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to create 300 Instagram Reels within 5 minutes leveraging two AI softwares. Number one, ChatGPT OpenAI to create the CSV file, and number two, Canva. So if you're excited, let's begin. Step 1, go to chat.openai.com and open the dashboard. This is a free account, so you can type your command on this section. For me, it is 300 must-visit travel destination across the globe, divided into 2 columns. Once you type and go to the send message option, it will automatically generate 300 number of outputs, and you'll have to simply copy that. Step 2, take an Excel sheet or Google spreadsheet and just paste those 2 columns. Save it as CSV file. In the save as type, you will have to select CSV file and save it. Step 3, go to canva.com from the link given in description. You can use Canva Pro for free for 30 days. So use my affiliate link. You can cancel the subscription anytime you want. And then go to this create design option, and here you type the kind of video you want to make. That is, for us it is Instagram Reel. So select the Instagram Reel option. Okay. Now here on the top bar you see different categories or niches. Here I will select travel. So I will get different travel related templates. So I will take this option, this one, and you can do any modification whatever you want. So I'm not going to use these 2 flowers here. So I'm just going to keep it clean. I will take these 2 text boxes. And now this bottom box will be used for the second column, and the first box would be used for the first column. So I'm going to delete all other excess things. Now position it in such a way so that you are happy with its position, and you can continue using this position for all these 300 reels, right? So next step is go to bulk create option. If you don't find bulk create option here, then in apps you can write bulk create, and it ideally remains in more from Canva option. So once you can see bulk create here as well, right? In more from Canva. So you can use it once and automatically it will be added to your left hand side widget. So go to bulk create option and upload CSV. And here I will select the file which I have created. Now from the first box I will right click and connect data, and I will take the first column, and you will have to adjust it so that any word can be accommodated, because there will be different length words, right? I'll select the second text box, right click, connect data, and I will take this option, this second option, second block, right? And accordingly I will select it. Here if you want to give any styling, go to effects option, and for me I ideally give a background to the second text. So you can choose any of the styles. You can keep the roundness different, and then if it is ready, you will see these 2 ticks here, purple color ticks, and then you can continue. So just generate it. It will be coming to the next tab, and see all your reels are generated at a go. So now let us move to modify this. What if you want to modify the background or add some amazing music to it? Now I want to keep the background as Paris, France. So I will remove this background, select the background at the back, and then if you want to use a video, then go to videos option and give Paris. Right click on the video and set the video as background. And if you want to give any animation, then you should be doing that. The first slides animation or whatever you are adding to the first slide will be implemented in other slides as well. So if I want to animate, I will just select the first text box. I'll go to animate and I will give pan, and for the second box I will give wipe option. Okay. Now if you want to change the duration, see this is 18.8 seconds. It's okay for as an Instagram reel, but still if you want to increase or decrease it, then you can select this, go to this timing option, and you can reduce or increase it, or you can select a particular part of the video and then you can check the timing here. Once you're satisfied, go and do done. Okay, so this is how your first slide is ready. Likewise, you can change a couple of slides as well. What if you want to add an audio? In that case, go to your audio section and you can type anything, like I type travel. You can choose any of these audios and drag and drop it here. So make sure you keep your playhead at the beginning and just drag it at the beginning. Okay, now you can choose to make slides on this by right clicking and go to split option, and accordingly you can change the volume as well. If you want, just select it and change, increase or decrease the volume as per your requirement. You can go to adjust option and it will give you an entire track to choose which part you want to play for that particular slide. And then audio effects will allow you to give a subtle fade in and fade out as well. Now once this is done, you are satisfied, you can go to this share option and go to download. It should be in MP4, and here uncheck all the boxes and one by one you can go and select and go to done and download. Scheduling is also possible. If you want to schedule directly from here, go for share on social media. Here you'll have to link your Instagram page or Instagram handle. You can schedule post from your desktop or immediately post from your mobile app. That is also possible. If you like this tutorial, please do subscribe to my channel if you're a new visitor, and please do press the like button and share it with your friends and family. Please watch the other videos which are coming at the end, and if you are a struggling YouTuber, make sure you watch the video which is coming up next.
3 reasons why new YouTubers fail. First is they only focus on creating content and they never invest time in learning how to do it in the right way. Second is they don't know how exactly the videos go viral. They don't know how to pick up the right video topic which can help them to get more views as well. Third is they are not aware of the features that are available in YouTube which can help them to get more views, subscribers as well. If you want to scale your channel 5x faster and earn more than 50,000 rupees per month by creating videos based on your passion, skill or talent, then YouTube Masterclass is for you. Just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. Hi, I'm Sriram Benur, content creator of channel A2C, which has more than million plus subscribers. And right now I have been coaching more than 2,000 plus students from across multiple countries, rated 4.9 on Trustpilot. In the 90-minute YouTube Masterclass, you're going to learn why you should consider YouTube, how exactly YouTube works, what are the skills that are needed to be a YouTuber, 3 powerful strategies which can help you to get more views, more subscribers, more video engagement, more click-through rate, and which can help you to earn more money as well. So just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. See you live.
So I, being his affiliate, I have already given the link in the description for his masterclass. Please do join in his masterclass and enrich your knowledge about being an YouTuber. If you are a new visitor to my channel, please consider to click the subscription button below and press the bell notification next to it. Please do like, share my content with others so that I can thrive every single day for creating better content for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.